Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one app which will help you show your travel journey. So let me show you how it works. So you go here and type in the starting point. Let me type in the starting point. I'm putting it as Bangalore. So this is my starting location. Now my destination for now I'm putting it as Chennai. So now I can go and change the travel mode. I just hold this here. Now it will change the, let me change it to bus. This is the bus I put in. Now if I go back, now my mode of travel is changed to bus. Now if I want to add a location in between, I can just pull this here and I can add a new mode of travel. Let me say this is car that I put in. I can put it there. Now from here, if I want to go to somewhere else, let's say I'm going to Thailand from Chennai, so I can say Thailand from here. So now from mode of travel, I'm going to change it to flight. So if I want to add any photos from this location, I can put in here and it will come. So let me leave that part now. Now I go to play. Now I can decide the video length. Here also I can decide the map. Then if I want to be distances in kilometer, I can have that. Few other settings I can do that. If I want to change the mode, that also I can change. Now if you see here, now you see the car, flight. So now once it is done, I can save it to my video camera. So this way you will be able to create beautiful travel videos that showcases your journey in an animator format. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.